welcome to the Edgerton Public Library. This is Kirsten, and I'm here in our meeting room for our Reading Adventure Club, and I want to share with you our Reading Adventure packet for this week and some book ideas. So this is the week of January 11th. We're focusing on the letter S, and our Reading Adventure packet has a writing prompt for you. Hopefully you've been keeping those together and making an awesome book. If you're missing any pages, we're happy to copy those letters for you. Our packet this week includes a little kit to make a slippery snake. That'll be fun. Some directions to make super fancy snowflakes. And a neighbor and friend of our library, Fred Maves, printed out these directions for you so that you could make some amazing snowflakes like this that are symmetrical and have 6 sides. Our packet this week also has a stamper, so if you want to make some stampy pictures or maybe stamp your snowflake paper, you can do that. And you're also going to find a little flyer as a reminder about our Library Shorts program that's put on by all the Arrowhead Library System libraries. And we have some activities and videos this week about snow, so check all those out. There's 6 different lessons, all having to do with snow. This is a great week to read about snow since we're thinking about letter S, The Snowman's Clothes. That's a fun book in our Easy Reader section. We also have a book that will tell you about snow and some of the science behind snow. We've had some amazing ice and frost, hoarfrost the last few weeks, so you might enjoy learning about that in this book called Snow. We're doing our winter reading challenge from now until February 15th, and you can pick up a reading challenge log at the library or download one from our website. There's all kinds of activities to choose from and some great prizes that you'll be eligible for. And you might want to read a snowy book as you're doing the winter reading challenge. So I've pulled a few really fun reads from our snowy book display. You can see all those book covers with lots of snow on them. So we've got chapter books, we've got easy readers, we've got picture books, all having to do with snowy topics. One of my very favorite snowy books is The Snowy Day. You can see on the cover of this, it says the 50th anniversary edition. So this book was written over 50 years ago, and it's been a favorite of kids ever since. This is a newer book called A Poem for Peter, and it's a book about the author and some of his background on writing the book about Peter, who's the main character in The Snowy Day. So you might enjoy that. Well, as we're thinking about letter S, here are a few other reading ideas for you this week. Superhero Science is a series of 6 books, and a couple of them have a lot of S's. Super Senses and Super Strength. So that might be fun to read this week. We have some books about the skeletal system. The character Scooby-Doo. We've got Scooby-Doo books in our picture books, easy readers, and chapter books. In our chapter book section, some of those are you choose books. So you come to different pages in the book and you have to decide how you want the story to continue. So those are a fun way to read a book. One of our activities this week is to make that snake, so maybe you want to read about snakes. We've got books about snakes in general, and then we have books about specific snakes. Here's one about rattlesnakes. Or how about snowy owls? You can combine snow and this beautiful bird. Well, this is a great week to read a book by an author whose last name starts with the letter S. Jon Cheska has written lots and lots of books. They're all fun, and most of them are pretty humorous. So the Trucktown series, we have an easy reader and in picture book section. Squids Will Be Squids, Fresh Morals, Beastly Fables. The True Story of the 3 Little Pigs. The Stinky Cheese Man and other Fairly Stupid Tales. So these are all kind of fairy tale retellings. This is in our chapter book section, but it's kind of a graphic novel style, The Astronauts. So again, all those books are by the author Jon Cheska. And then another author I want to give a shout out to is the author Jamie Swenson, and she's written these easy readers. We have Meet Wolf and Quack and Wolf and Quack in Winter, as well as some picture books. And Jamie works at the Hedberg Public Library in Janesville, which is part of our library system. And she's also one of the librarians who's doing some of the programs in our library short series. So I hope you'll check out all those opportunities here at the Edgerton Public Library and through our library system. We'll stop in for some books, call us for a parking lot pickup, download your reading challenge form, and keep on reading. And I'll see you next week, friends. Bye-bye.